I think when you're good at something, it doesn't make sense to abandon it.
It's a lifestyle, so you have to have it within you, or else it just eats you alive.
This career is absolutely a commitment, especially if you're going to be a good chef. All the stuff you see on Food Network and Hell's Kitchen, you don't even scratch the surface.
No, I think when you have people who come in once, that's great. They have a good time, even better. But for them to come back, it means they really enjoy themselves. And for me, that's the most honest and important compliment is people coming back, you know.
Cooking as a hobby and cooking professionally are two very different